Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra could be compared, especially with rumors indicating Samsung's latest flagships will be appearing earlier than normal. Rumors point to a Galaxy S24 launch happening in January 2024, meaning it won't be long before we can get our hands on the Ultra model that figures to be the premium handset in the new lineup. Early Galaxy S24 Ultra rumors already point to the phone getting some substantial camera improvements, and a new system on chip is practically a given. We could also see the Galaxy S24 Ultra take its cues from the iPhone 15 Pro models and switch to a new material. We're also expecting a phone with a brighter display that may even feature a faster refresh than before. Samsung will have to make some pretty significant changes to match the Galaxy S23 Ultra, our pick for the best phone for most of this year. But it's since been surpassed by the iPhone 15 Pro Max, giving Samsung even more incentive to make some big changes to its Ultra phone. The Galaxy S23 Ultra starts at $1,199, a steep price that remained unchanged from the cost of that phone's predecessor. We don't know if Samsung plans to hold the line on pricing for this year's model, but with Apple raising the price of the iPhone 15 Pro so that it now matches what Samsung charges for an Ultra phone, we think Samsung would want to avoid a price hike of its own, if possible. The biggest difference could be what Samsung makes the phone out of. Rumors tip the Galaxy S24 Ultra to feature titanium materials, just like Apple did with the iPhone 15 Pro lineup, that lead to lighter iPhones than before, a change that the S24 Ultra could truly benefit from. Furthermore, Samsung may not limit the switch to titanium as an Ultra-only feature, as rumors suggest it could happen to the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus as well. You're unlikely to see a boost in megapixels beyond the 200 MP currently offered by the Ultra, but the new phone is rumored to be getting a larger 1-inch sensor for capturing more light in difficult shooting conditions. The bigger change to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera hardware will likely involve the telephoto lens. Current mock-ups of the upcoming phone show dual telephoto lenses like the ones featured on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But one of those cameras could get a boosted megapixel rating to 50 MP. Qualcomm has revealed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is already slated to appear in phones like the Xiaomi 14. In addition to improved machine learning capabilities and a better image processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 promises a 30% boost in CPU performance and a 25% increase in graphics rendering. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.